Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix sound or audio issues in Duet Night Abyss game. So here follow the fixes. Steps to fix sound problem in Duet Night Abyss. On your PC, click on Windows and then click on Settings icon. Then click on System and then click on Sound Advanced and then click on More Sound Settings. Click your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Now go to the Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select Off. Then click on Apply and then OK. If Spatial Sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Now go to the Enhancements tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now launch Duet Night Abyss game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Duet Night Abyss game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Also make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using a speaker and see if that helps or not. Fix 3. Steps to fix audio problem in Duet Night Abyss game if we are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click on the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select System Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select More devices and printer settings, right click your headphones and then select Properties. Now go to the Services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click Apply. Now check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4. Set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So by this way you can easily fix sound or audio issues in Duet Night Abyss game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.